Good morning everyone, I'm Jen Calardong Guinness and this is my presentation about gender timeline. Gender has long existed as humanity, but what gender means has changed across cultures, centuries, and societies. Today we'll explore how genders developed through history, from ancient times to modern world. 1,000 years ago, many cultures did not limit gender to male and female. Some societies recognize third gender as spiritual. Indigenous communities in the Americas had two spirit identities. In South Asia, Hara communities existed for centuries. Even ancient mythology included gender-fluid gods and goddesses. Ancient cultures recognized more than two genders. During the Middle Ages, especially in Europe and Asia, gender roles became stricter. Men, men were expected to work and lead. Women were expected to care for home and family. Excuse me. Rules often controlled behavior, clothing, and rights. Gender became less flexible and more controlled by authority. In the late 1660s to 1880s, as empires expanded, laws were written that favored men. Women were denied voting, land ownership, and education. Gender inequality increased under colonial systems, but resistance also began. The 1880s introduced early women's movements demanding education and suffrage. Gender inequality written into law. So the resistance began. In the late 19 to 1960s, the World Wars changed everything. Women entered factories and industries. They provided they could do the same work as men. Feminism rose in waves. More women gained voting rights. Gender roles started to expand. Women entered workforce rights and rights increased. In the late 1970s to 1990s, scientists began separating sex, the ideas of biological sex, and gender identity. LGBTQ plus movements fought the equal rights. Gender became something understood as identity, not physical traits. Media, fashion, and culture question traditional masculinity and femininity. Gender becomes identity, not just biology. In the late 2000s, today, many societies recognize transgender people, non-binary identities, gender as a spectrum. Legal systems changed, language evolved, awareness grows. Gender is not new. What is new is understanding. History shows us one thing clearly. Gender has always evolved, just like humanity. That's all. And the last thing is, as understanding grows with time. That is all, everyone. Again, I'm Gian Calardong Guinness, and this is my presentation, Gender Timeline.